I am Dr. Elizabeth Nakhungu. I am a lecturer at the Department of Food Science and Technology, where I teach both postgraduate and undergraduate students and carry out other administrative activities, in addition to being a researcher in food product development area. I am currently working in various research projects. The first one is on legumes. It's called the Legume Center of Excellence for Food and Nutrition Security. And there I use light, so a technology called near-infrared spectroscopy to develop rapid assessment tools for the measurement of quality in legumes. And so currently we've been able to develop models that can predict the cooking time of beans in 5 minutes, under 30 seconds, and as well as the nutritional profile. And this would be very interesting for the industry, because using this technique, they can bypass wet chemistry, laboratory techniques, save on time, as well as it's very friendly for the environment. We have a PhD student working on measurement tools for cowpeas, and so we're just expanding the versatility and the use of the technique. In addition, from that research, what we found is that, common beans, when stored, will always become hard to cook, which means that they'll always cook for a very long period of time. And sometimes you have beans cooking for up to 7 hours. And considering that we need more convenient products in the market, what we are doing in another research line is to develop fast cooking beans. So we have pre-cooked these beans, and then we have dried them using different parameters of temperature, air velocity, and the like. And we just want to understand how these processing parameters affect the nutrition of the beans once consumed, so the digestibility of proteins and starch. We want to understand how it affects the texture and the color of beans, because this will really impact on the acceptability by consumers. There is yet another research line that we've been working on with my colleagues here at the department, and that is using human-centered designs to understand the acceptability and consumption of fruits and vegetables in Kenya. And really this is to understand which solutions could lead to reduction of post-harvest losses and waste of these products. And so actually that was quite an innovative research, and we found out that solution providers that use technologies or approaches in consultation with experts and financial analysts and the government will tend to come up with solutions for reduction of post-harvest waste and loss in fruits and vegetables that are more successful than others. And so we could tell people about what are those approaches that actually lead to the reduction of post-harvest losses in fruits and vegetables. In yet another line of research, we are using nuclear magnetic resonance, and that is magnets to interact with food so that we can be able to get the characteristics of food at a molecular level. And this is really important for the quality of, we are specifically working on dairy products, so that we can understand whether these products are being presented as authentic products. We have an increase of new product development in the dairy space with such, for example, lactose-free products. Yeah, and so this technology can really tell us if they are lactose-free, if they contain as little lactose as possible. We have a lot of probiotic products that are being developed as well. This technology can tell us whether they are authentic, as well as kefir products, among many other products. So we are using nuclear magnetic resonance to understand how production practices by smallholder farmers, as well as processing practices in the industry, affect the quality of dairy products. The way I see policymakers playing a role and JKUAT is to give our research platforms where we can engage with other stakeholders and provide the evidence that we are collecting. And in this way, then we can be able to influence policy, influence legislation, towards the development of food products that will be safe for consumption, so safeguard the health of the population, as well as food products that will deliver the much needed nutrition to the population, because we still have issues of protein, energy malnutrition, iron deficiency, vitamin A deficiencies, and we see ways in which we can fortify these products and ensure that people can obtain the required nutrition for good health outcomes and increased well-being among the people of Kenya and beyond. So some of the initiatives have led to collaboration with multinational organizations such as ICRAF, where I have been sent for further training in Botswana and brought back that knowledge, which then has been incorporated into industry. And we have, like, on the market, mango leathers and other dried mango fruit products, which are like healthy snacks. So a successful initiative would be more collaboration with industry to improve the quality of the products, and also to be able to help them generate more incomes. And these incomes are not just profits for the industry, but it's also employment opportunities for Kenyans, and all of this contributes to food and nutrition security in this country. The vision for the future of my research is to be able to incorporate more, or rather to focus on the development of affordable and nutritious food products from climate smart crops using sustainable technologies, because when you look at the use of near-infrared spectroscopy and nuclear magnetic resonance, these are rapid techniques with high throughput with respect to measuring quality in food products. They do not require the use of chemicals, therefore we are safeguarding the environment. So by using sustainable technologies, including the use of solar energy in food processing and such techniques, then we can be able to deliver affordable food products that are nutritious, and also have a processing environment, a processing approach that safeguards our environments. We very much welcome young researchers to work with us. We may be the think tanks, but they are the engines. We currently have a number of PhD and master students that we work with, and even just like young people who we just engage with to do this research work. And so we want to share our expertise with them. We want to build them up to become outstanding scientists. We cannot be able to deliver food and nutrition security for this nation and for this region on our own. We need the young scientists to come and partner with us and believe in the work that we are doing, that the work is impactful, that the work will have positive outcomes for future generation, and that we are and that they will find opportunities if they decide to be like really good at scientific research. Finally, we would like to invite all of you to the 19th Scientific, Technological and Industrial Conference at JKUAT, where we'll be sharing our research work and our innovations. We look forward to your participation. We look forward to partnering with you because we believe that collaborations are going to drive positive change.